Welcome to my YouTube channel, Biotech Buzz.
Certainly. In pharmaceutical biotechnology, Agar diffusion methods are commonly used to assess antimicrobial activity or the potency of drugs. There are a few types of Agar diffusion methods. 1. Kirby-Bauer method, disc diffusion method. Procedure. It involves placing antibiotic-soaked paper discs on agar plates inoculated with bacteria. As the antibiotic diffuses into the agar, it creates a gradient of concentration, inhibiting bacterial growth around the disc. Interpretation. The size of the clear zone, inhibition zone, around the disc indicates the susceptibility of the bacteria to the antibiotic. 2. Well diffusion. Method. Procedure. Instead of discs, wells are made in the agar and the samples, antibiotics, or drug solutions are placed into these wells. The compounds diffuse outward into the agar, creating inhibition zones around the wells. Interpretation. Similar to Kirby-Bauer, the diameter of the inhibition zone is measured to determine the effectiveness of the tested compounds. 3. E-test, gradient diffusion method. Procedure. Uses strips containing a predefined gradient of an antibiotic. These strips are placed on agar plates inoculated with the test organism. The concentration gradient of the antibiotic on the strip allows for a more precise determination of the minimum inhibitory concentration, MIC. Interpretation. The point where the bacterial growth intersects the strip indicates the MIC. 4. Agar Dilution method. Procedure. This involves preparing serial dilutions of the antimicrobial agent in the agar itself before solidification. Then, a standardized amount of test organism is spread on the surface. Interpretation. By observing the lowest concentration of the agent that prevents visible growth, the MIC can be determined. 5. Overlay assay. Procedure. In this technique, the agar plate is overlaid with a layer of semi-solid agar inoculated with the indicator organism. Substances to be tested are applied to wells or discs on top. If the substances have antimicrobial activity, it will inhibit the growth of the indicator organism. Each method has its advantages and limitations, but collectively they are valuable tools for evaluating the efficacy of antimicrobial agents and drugs in pharmaceutical biotechnology.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.